Oh man, look at this. Look at you, just sitting there, watching an intro trailer like some kind of NPC. Well, guess what, bucko? You just stumbled onto Duckhive, the place for game dev chaos, procedural magic, and machine learning and madness and unity, brother. Yeah, that's right. I make racing games, sports games, and janky yet genius procedural generation tools that'll either revolutionize game development or break your brain. Probably both. You see that? I make arcade racing games. I'm talking drifting, boosting, power-ups, absolute chaos on the track. Think Mario Kart on steroids, brother, but without the blue shell ruining friendships. You ever wanted to race like a madman in a game that doesn't care about realism but is fun as hell? That's what I do, baby. Boom! Sports games, soccer, basketball, maybe even some weird hybrid mutant sport that nobody asked for but suddenly needs in their life, brother. I make it all and it's glorious. And AI? Machine learning? Yeah, I train digital hive mind robots to drive, play, and sometimes make existential mistakes in Unity. Procedural generation, I build infinite worlds out of nothing but math, caffeine, and sheer spite. Oh, and if you're feeling real generous, Patreon exists. Yeah, support the cause. Help this dev-powered lunacy afloat. You get tools, projects, voting powers, and probably a little bit of my soul. I don't know, I haven't read the fine print. So yeah, hit subscribe, join Patreon, do whatever makes your little dev heart happy. Or don't, free will is an illusion. But hey, if you want to see Unity game dev at its absolute best and worst, let's be honest, welcome to Duckhive. Buckle up, nerd!